Thousands of these oil rigs stand motionless in the Gulf of Mexico/America, and that's because they aren't even operating. So I wasn't kidding when I said motionless. These are called idle wells. They are not currently extracting oil from the sea floor, but they also aren't permanently sealed off either. They basically sit in limbo, possibly to be used once again, but most likely not. In fact, over 75% of them are overdue for decommission. And you might think an idle well is neutral towards the environment, right? But like I said, they aren't sealed off, which normally means plugging the tapped oil deposit with concrete to prevent oil escape. Unchecked and forgotten idle wells start to corrode and degrade over time in the salty sea, resulting in chronic oil leakage. For example, in April of last year, idle well number 59, which was 82 years old, broke loose and spewed tens of thousands of gallons of pollutants into Louisiana state waters and wetlands. These abandoned ghost wells are in deep water and expensive to inspect, so decades can go by without ever checking on them. Even worse, if a company that owns an idle well goes bankrupt, then the idle well turns into an orphan well. That means the well gets stranded with no responsible party. Ultimately, to fix that problem falls onto taxpayers. And guess what? We just keep on chugging along by issuing more drilling permits to companies that can't even clean up their own previous messes. Seems like something is just very, very wrong here, and I hope you agree.